Hi there, I'm Eitan, and welcome back to Wix Wiz. Today I will be continuing our custom product page tutorial, the updated version. If you remember, last time we talked a little bit about the media items, which is what you see set up over here. And today we're going to be delving into setting up the name, which is rather simple, and then a slightly more complicated topic of price. And there's a lot that's going on here with price, so we'll talk about it soon. So let's get started. Okay, so if you remember last time, this is the code that we had set up for our media items. And if you want to watch that video, you can check it out. What will be important for us in this tutorial is this dynamic dataset.onReady function. And basically what this does is it executes certain functions when this uh, products item dataset is ready. And the first thing that we do is we get our product using dynamic dataset.getCurrentItem, and it will return an object that looks something like this. Okay. And then we set our media source, in this case, to be a certain property from this product, and we used this function to populate our media repeater. And we're going to continue adding things here in order to set different elements of our custom product page using the data that we got from this product. And the first thing that I'll show you how to do is to set the name of the product. So I'm just going to zoom in here a little bit, just so you can see the code a little better. Maybe that's a little too much. Okay, and if we take a look here at the object that we get back from this product, we can see here that there is one property called name, and that's basically the name of the product that you set in the dashboard. And if we want to use that to populate the title over here, name, then all we have to do is select our name element and say that dot text will be equal to this product dot name. And so let's head over to preview mode just to check it out. And you can see here that now it says I am a product. Okay, just like we wanted. So the next thing we're going to talk about is this price. And we're going to try and make it look something like this price here in Etsy, because we're trying to reproduce this entire product page. But one thing that I want to touch on specifically is the topic of discounted prices. So if we take a look here at the object that we get back for the product, then we'll see several different properties which are talking about price. Okay, so we have formatted discounted price, and we have the discounted price, and we have formatted price, and we have price. Okay, so price is just a number value for the price, whereas formatted price is a price that we actually can use to directly display the price. But in this case, this product here, in this example, has the same price for the formatted price and discounted price. But what if we have a product that has two different prices? So let's start out by just putting the formatted price instead of our price element right over here. So in order to do that, we're just going to go right down here. And I'm actually going to create a new function because this is going to get more complicated. And whoops, wrong language there. And I am going to call this function populate prices. Okay, and I'm writing prices in plural because we're going to have more than one price in the near future. And what we're going to do here in populate prices, so the first thing is we'll set the price element dot text to be equal to this product dot formatted price. Okay, and then if we just head into preview mode, right after I call populate prices within our onReady function of the dynamic data set, and then I'm going to head into preview mode, and now we should see the formatted price right over here. Okay, so that's a very basic price setup. But what about a case, sorry, where we have a discounted price? How do we handle that? So first, I'm going to set up this product so that it actually has a discounted price. And if you're not sure how to do that, then that's done from the dashboard. Okay, so this is the product dashboard for this product. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see here that this product can be on sale. And then I can offer a discount. I can offer a dollar amount, or I can offer a percentage. Let's say I do a dollar amount, and it's a $20 discount. Okay. So now if I click save here and I go back to our editor, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to have a console. So console.log, this product dot discounted price. Okay, just to see if we're actually getting the discounted price. And let's also console the actual price. So I'll do this product dot price and this product dot discounted price. So let's head into our preview mode and see what we get here now in the console. So you can see here that we got 85 and 65. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to somehow display what the original price was and what the discounted price was, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to add another element over here. So let's head back to the editor. And near this price, I'm going to add another element. So let's add a text element. And I'm just going to add a normal paragraph element. And I'm going to change this text to the same one as this price one over here, which is Helvetica. But I'm not going to make it bold. I'm just going to make it regular. And I'm going to add a strike through effect, which I think I can do. How do I add the strike through effect? Okay, we might need to do that soon with CSS. I thought that might be available here through the editor, but I guess it is not. Or I just can't find it. Anyways, okay, so I'm going to make this a little smaller as well. So let's make this about 18. And I'm just going to write here D price. Okay, so this is going to be for our discounted price. And its name here inside of my Velo editor will be also discounted price. So actually, change of heart. So we're going to display the discounted price instead of the bold price because that is the actual price that they will need to pay. And this is going to be the original price. Okay, so, and I can just change that here as well. So this is going to be original price. Yeah, spelling has always been my soft side. Okay, so I'm going to get that right over here. And I'm going to put it right near our regular price, like so. And what I'm going to do for now is I'm also just going to add a decorative line, okay, just to make things a little simpler in terms of CSS and etc. So I'm just going to add a line and make that a little smaller and rotate it this way. To 90 degrees. Excellent. And I'm going to put that right on top. Oh, God. Oh, this is fun. Might be toolbar time. Yes. Okay. Tools, toolbar, no, sorry, layers. And line 1. Okay, and move you over here. And we're just going to put it right here on top of the original price. Let me just zoom out a little bit because I think this will make everything a little simpler. And yeah, I'm going to grab that line again. I'm going to make it a little longer. And I'm going to group these two together, if I can. Let me first rename this. So I'll just call this strikeout line. This is, I'm saying already, this is not the best way to do this, but I just do want to have the visual effect here in place, so that you kind of understand what I'm getting at here before we go into something slightly more complicated. And yeah, so I'm just going to group those together, group elements. And let's call this original price group. Okay, great. So this is where we're going to display our original price, and this is where we're going to display the discounted price. And what we need to do basically is we're going to need to calculate and compare the two prices and see if one of them is larger than the other or if they're the same. Okay, so we're going to do that all here in the populate prices function. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say if this product dot price is bigger than this product dot discounted price, then price dot text. Let me just zoom in here so I make sure that you see everything. This will be equal to this dot formatted discounted price. And our discounted, what do we call it, original price dot text will be equal to not this, but this product, sorry. This product dot formatted price. Okay. And in any other case, then we're just going to have price equal to formatted price. Okay. And one more thing that we have to make sure to do is to hide this group. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hide this group on default. And if this is the case that we have a discounted price, then I'm going to show that group. Okay, so original price group dot show. Okay, so let's just make this, yeah, so you could see all the code, how we set it up. And I'm going to save. And then I'm going to go ahead and preview. And now let's see what this looks like with our discounted price. Okay, so you can see here that we have the original price with our strike through, and we have the discounted price showing as the updated price. I know it doesn't look beautiful at the moment, and I'm pretty sure that this could be fixed up using some CSS, because if you're not familiar, then text elements can have CSS set directly into them. Yeah, so if you want to do that, then you can, I don't remember how to do strike through with CSS by heart, so I'll have to look that up. Maybe I'll add this into the video soon. So yeah, just to show you that this is working, so if we go back to our product, and then I get rid of our sale and I save, and then I go here and I show you preview again, then what we should see is only the original price. Okay, so that is a way that you can display discounted prices using price, formatted price, and discounted price. And now I'm going to go find that CSS property that will help us create the slightly nicer strikeout look. So if you want to learn how to do that, then stay on. All right, so we're back, and I found the CSS that we need, which is called text decoration line through. Okay, so that's what we're going to be using to create the line through our text. And yeah, if we head right over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this right over here in our price. Okay, so instead of having it show the formatted discount price, we're going to actually alter this a little bit and add some CSS in. And this is going to be .html. So let's say formatted discounted price. Okay, so the same name that we have here actually. And this is going to be equal to, I'm going to use a template literal. And let's have this just be paragraph. And in here, inside, we're going to put the text of this product dot formatted discount price. And right here, we're going to add some CSS. So style. Actually, it's not CSS. It's inline styling in the HTML. I'm just calling it CSS because that's what I have in my head. Okay, so the style. So we're going to say we're going to be using this. Okay, so text decoration line. So I'm just going to copy that right over and put that right over here. And I'm also going to add here color gray. Okay, just because I want the color to be gray. And then here, instead of .text, I'm going to write .html. And I am going to change this from this product.formatted price to just our formatted discount price. Okay, and now hopefully this should display the strike through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get rid of, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to ungroup the elements. I'm going to get rid of our line over here. So delete that line. Whoops. Did not want to delete everything. Let's go back to our tools, layers, and strike through line, and delete that. Okay, so I deleted the strike through line, and now let's see if the original price has that styling that I wanted to give it. So no, it does not. It does say original price. So it's not even saying what we want it to say. Okay. So as you see here, the price, the original price and the price are the same. And yeah, that's because I forgot to change us back to our sale. So first of all, what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to hide this instead of our original price group. And I'm going to need to get rid of the word group here because I just erased the group, if you don't remember. And I'm going to go back to our product and I have to add our sale back in. Otherwise, obviously, it won't display a sale. And yeah, put that on sale. Okay, and discount $20. Okay, save. And now if we go back and preview, now let's see if our formatting worked or not. Moment of truth. Okay, so yes and no. Okay, I think I crossed the wires a little bit here. So let's go back and let me uncross them. So the price, we still want that to be equal to the price. Okay, so this, wow. Okay, I really made a salad here, as we say in Hebrew. Okay, so price dot text. This is still going to be equal to this this product dot not formatted discount price. Okay, and the original price is what we want to change to the HTML. And this is the formatted price, not the formatted discount price, because the original price is the one that we want to show with the strike through. And then I need to take this and cut that out and put that here instead of this. And here I'm going to put our formatted price. And now if we go into preview, then it should show what we want it to show, which is our original price over here and our old price with a nice strike through and grayed out right over here. Okay, so that's how to do that using inline styling inside the HTML for our text element. So just to recap what we did today, so we talked about putting in the name and the pricing for a custom product page, and how to display the original price and the discounted price in a cool formatted way that's friendly for the user. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.